is Jess and welcome to my channel. Okay guys, welcome back to my channel and I'm so happy and excited for today's video, and I really hope that you like all the DIYs that I made in today's video. I made 3 DIYs using Dollar Tree items, extremely easy and budget friendly ideas for you guys, so I hope that you like them. And if you do, please give me a big thumbs up. That really helps to support my channel, and make sure that you are subscribed and that you hit the bell to get notified every single time that I upload a new video. And remember to follow me on all my social media pages, my webpage, and my new YouTube channel, Jazomy Home. A new video is coming soon, so make sure that you are subscribed to Jazomy Home. The links are going to be in the description box of this video and every single video. And let's get started with these DIYs. Okay guys, for the first project I will be using 4 of these Dollar Tree canvases, and they are 5 by 7 inches, but you can use the size that you want to do this project. And the first thing I did was to remove the staples and the canvas fabric because I only need the wood frames. Once you have only the wood frame, you must stick them together, forming a window. And I decided to use hot glue, but you can also use wood glue to make it stronger. Once all the frames are stick together, you can use popsicle sticks and put them on the back side where the frames join, and this is just to give it an extra reinforce to my window. From there, I will be using my Waverly chalk paint in black color to paint all the wood, but you can use maybe red or white, green, or any stain that you have. Once the paint was dry, I decided to sand all the edges of the wood to highlight that natural wood color and that this project has a little more dimension. Now I'm going to decorate, and I'm going to be using this red ribbon that I have, and it is from Dollar General, and I'm going to be cutting some pieces to create a simple bow and then tie it to the top of my window. From there, I'm going to be using these 3 red bells that I have at home, or you can get them from Dollar Tree, and I'm going to cut 3 pieces of twine in 3 different sizes, and I'm going to tie them to the bells. Then you can tie all the twine pieces together, and you can glue them in the center of the bow with hot glue. Now you can use any ornament that you have or anyone from Dollar Tree. This is from last year and it is from Walmart, and I just glued it in the center of my bow. To finish, you can place a small hanger, or you can do it yourself with a piece of twine as I did. Once I finish and I hang it on the wall, this is how this project will look like, and I really love it because it looks beautiful and you can change the color of the bow and the ornament, and you can use it throughout the year. I really love how it turned out, and let me know if you like it too with a thumbs up. For the next project, I'm going to be using one of these Dollar Tree wood trays, and you can paint it any color you want, but I'm going to be using stain in special walnut color, and lately I'm obsessed with this tone. I just think it's beautiful and I really love it. I'm also going to be using one of these glass candle holders from Dollar Tree, and I'm going to paint it in black color with my spray paint. Once both pieces were dry, I'm going to glue the candle holder with hot glue under the wood tray. From there, I decided to use 3 of these red taper candles that come in a set of 2, and they're quite long, so I decided to cut it in half, all in the same size. From there, I will be using some E6000 glue and hot glue to stick the 3 taper candles on the tray and let them dry very well before starting to decorate. To decorate my tray, I'm going to start by using wire garland ties to fill all the spaces. Then I place several of these pine picks that I have at home, and I think that they are going to look much better on the tray. And then I place some berries and pine cones here and there to complete the look on this DIY. Once finished, I lit the candles, and this will be the result. I love that it's perfect to place as my centerpiece in my dining room, and I really love the colors and the high-end look. For this project, I will be using 2 of these Dollar Tree long signs. These are for Halloween, but you can find similar ones for each season in Dollar Tree, and most of them have a lot of glitter. So the first thing I did was to sand to remove the glitter from my signs and working with them easier. Of course, I use my mini ladybug vacuum to clean all the mess in my work area, and in the description I left the link for this vacuum. Now I'm going to be using a little bit of this Dollar Tree spot clean to fill in the holes that the sign has on one side, and after it dries, I sand everything to have a smooth surface. I want to join these signs to have a single super big one, so I use popsicle sticks and I glue them with hot glue, and you can stick another popsicle stick on the top just to help you hang the sign later. From there, I'm going to be painting everything, and I decide to use the red color of Waverly Chalk paint, and I give it 2 coats of paint and let it dry. Now you can use your Cricut if you want, a chalk marker, or these Dollar Tree stickers. And what I did was to paint the letters that I need to form the word believe in white color. Once the stickers are dry, I'm going to stick them on these chalkboard tags, also from Dollar Tree, and I need 2 packages to have 7 tags in total and be able to stick my letters. I want to put these tags hanging in my sign, so I use these garland beads and stick it from each side in my sign. Guys, I got these garland beads from at-home stores, but you can do it yourself if you want. It's super easy. And in the description, I left the link of the wooden beads that I always buy from Amazon. From there, I count how many beads my garland had to be able to tie the tags with the same separation space between each one with a knot every 6 beads. From there, I decide to put twine at the bottom of the sign, forming like an X, and I just think it looks very nice and gives an extra touch to this project. Then I decide to make a bow with this ribbon that I have, I think is from Walmart, and I made a double bow, super easy, and then I glue it on one side of the sign near to the letter B. On the top of the bow, I decided to glue these holly bush from Walmart. It cost only 98 cents. And I stick it with hot glue, and then I fix and arrange the ribbon so that my bow looks perfect. At the other end of the sign, I also place another holly bush, a little bit smaller, with the berries and pine cones to complete my sign. Once finished, I put it on the wall, and this will be the result. And I really love this sign that I made using Dollar Tree items, and it is super big. I was inspired by a decor piece that I saw on the at-home stores for $30, and this was extremely budget friendly, and I actually think it's a little bit bigger. I'm not sure, but hey, that's a win for me. So yeah, I hope that you like all the DIYs in today's video and that you're having fun with me. If so, please give me a big thumbs up. That really helps to support my channel, guys. And let me know in the comments which of these projects was your favorite, and make sure that you are subscribed and that you hit the bell and share this video with friends and family. Remember to follow me on all my social media pages, my webpage, and my new YouTube channel, Jazomy Home. A new video is coming soon, so make sure that you are subscribed there, and see you on my next video. Bye guys.